I arrived yesterday in Beijing at about 5 o'clock in the morning. It was a comfortable flight, though a long one, and I was picked up by taxi and brought to the hotel, which hopefully you can see behind me, called the Lakeside Hotel. When I arrived at the hotel, I did a lot of sleeping, and now I'm just exploring the area.
Images all over, things happening on tables, people talking, noise, that looks great. Okay, so just a minute of silence, just going to give you a bit of...
I'm not sure if you can recognise this person here,
No.
But that is in fact myself. Yeah, so this is myself a number of years ago at Shanghai Teachers University. There's a question here, can you make a circuit? And actually, yes we can, but it would be great if there was some kind of feedback to acknowledge that. So we're still looking at a question. So I think that's something that I found very interesting coming out of this. Is the only kind of video clip of Anne Frank that exists. So in actual fact, there isn't a lot of material to work with. There's a lot of written material, but the people that have put this together have really looked at what they've got available, and they've just tried to put it together in a way that they feel puts across the mood and the times of Anne Frank. So I think what I'll do is I'll just move this on now. This has given you a flavour, I hope, of the sort of the style and the approach that the people have put this together.
Hello, welcome team to Beijing. So das ist Ateliergegend in der Nähe vom 798. Viele Künstler wohnen hier. Komm rein.
So I haven't seen Leo Fei for 25 years,
Yeah.
But we studied together in Jinan, in
Yeah.
Shanghai.
Maybe you don't know him
maybe he doesn't.
anymore.
Hello， 你好，你好，
你好，身体好吗？
很好，好像变模样了一样感觉，大感觉没有变。
It's nice 啊，
简直太神奇了，
是不是啊？
我猜你打死我也猜不到。
对吧？Er sagte, bring ihn um, er kann auch nicht raten, dass du kommst.
Ja.
对，一些在关岛当中一个痕迹的东西啊。
对，它变成一个什么呢？就是因为站在这个逻辑，就是它已经不是说中国画、油画这种。
刘飞。李刚。
Hello。
Why did you choose this one and not a different one?
对，你为什么买这个？
It's good Beijing.
Good Beijing.
Good taste.
我就是最近就是休息不好，这是真的。
对，
我这一段时间他妈的弹琴真的是我靠，醒着一直在弹琴，睡着觉。
这个，这个，这个，发财，点一个，点一个，仨，不错。哎呦我操！哇，
哎，
我培养出来了啊！我不客气了，对不对啊？你知道我的厉害，我当年什么水平？六飞好了，真的好了，六啊，分好了，真的好了，跳跳，飞好。
I'm with Shan Wei, and I am wearing a lot of clothes. It's -2 outside, and it doesn't feel much warmer inside. So Shan Wei has got some work here, probably going back about 10 years, and he's just going to just talk us through a couple of pieces. And this is hopefully of particular interest to Peter, who studied with myself and Shan Wei back in Shandong Teachers University.
Oh, Peter, hello. How are you? Yeah. It's a long time that we haven't seen each other. Yeah. I'm very happy that the team come. I show you some painting from me. It's not now, but for some few years ago. Yeah. This painting record lost in Utopia. In this period, I like a monkey as my motif.
So I'm now with Shan Wei, and we're going to the famous art gallery district, which is called the 798. And I'm going to ask Shan Wei to explain a little bit about why that's important.
798 is before is the word the DDR fabric. Now it's becoming a very famous art district. Yeah, because there are a lot of gallery and good gallery and bad gallery. This is 798, 798. And that is, here is the Zentrum from this Gegend, from this area. This old, not old, the 1950 years old, 50s factory.
As we explore the 798 district, we have come across this, which is a lovely kind of green space with lots of different types of trees. We don't fully understand why, but I think that's part of the mission of art, is to leave a question rather than to give an answer. Myself and Shan Wei, we took a motorised rickshaw, in order to come to another section of the 798 area. This is perhaps our final exhibition that we're going to see. I'm not quite sure what else is in store. I think we have mixed feelings about it, but nevertheless it's good to get a real breadth of what's on offer.
如果我们在这边等一会儿，应该可以找到车。对。
Well, I've made it to the Forbidden City. I've got an audio guide here. This is the earpiece of it, and I haven't quite orientated myself yet, but I am enjoying it and I'm here. I've now come out of the Forbidden City, had a bite to eat, and just taking in the sights again. This is the front of the Forbidden City with Chairman Mao in the background.
哦，就这样干。
能不能比那啥？